What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy HCG in the building. Today we gonna be upgrading Princess Peach's internals. This is similar to the Glock takedown. Got the two little prongs on the side, on either side. Take those down, boom. Squeeze the trigger, push slightly with the thumb. I swear to God, cause I had to tell you, cause when I was on YouTube looking at takedowns and stuff, I was mad. Cause when I actually got it again, it wasn't anything like how they said it. Like when you push up, you don't gotta push that much, cause when you take it down. Alright, so we here, then we boom. Just push slightly, squeeze, and as you squeeze, just push slightly. You don't gotta do all that rigid moving and stuff. You feel me? It's a gun. Keep it, you feel me? Keep it peaceful. Alright, so today we're gonna be upgrading the original striker guide, and we're gonna upgrade it to the Wakeline Industry. Let me see if I get that. Wakeline, sponsor me. Hey, I'm telling you, by 2023, I'm gonna have 5 offers to sponsor, and I'm not taking none of them. So I got to play it, but sponsor me. We got the stainless. That's gonna be what we're putting in. This is what we're gonna be taking out. The yellow one, the yellow thing right there. Y'all can see with the handy dandy scissors right there. So let's get right into it. First we gotta remove the spring and barrel first. Smink. Get him. Then we gotta take that out. Throw that to the side. Then we straight from here. Alright, so I'm gonna lean y'all that way so y'all can see what I'm actually doing, you feel me? Alright, to install this, we're gonna be using some scissors, you feel me? We're doing it that way. The getaway is the only way. So then we coming through here like this. Alright, we're gonna come through with the scissors, open them. Get right between the metal and the yellow at the bottom with the scissors. Then we gonna press down. Then we gonna slide. We're gonna get it in there. We're gonna get it like this. And remove the top plate. Then we gotta, before you release, make sure to put your finger over the top. Because, hey, I've heard about what happens. I haven't seen what happens, but I don't want to be the one who tells y'all what happens if your finger not on this. I just dropped it. Yep, and then this came out. So now that this is out, we can go ahead and pull it out. Get y'all close to this. So now we can get it out of there. Boom. Now we just set the slide to the side. Now we got us a striker. Now I've only shot this gun 50 rounds and it's already like, so yeah, and it's already gotten dirty. We about to get it right. The next thing we're gonna have to do is, it has these retainer clips. You see that black piece that's around there that kind of looks like another little bolt, but it's not. It's a retainer piece. It's 2 pieces to that clamps together and holds up against the silver end piece or the actual pin. So and that's just a free piece that's in there. It's just getting held up there by this spring right here. What we will have to do is take the retention off of the clips, and then we're gonna take them out. So yeah, let's do that. So what I suggest is setting your firearm like this, and then setting your your striker in backwards. So place it like that. It's just sitting on top of there. It's backwards, and then that's what's on top. So now we gonna release this. Boom, and the pieces will fall out. So now we can take this out. Now it's our, we can put the slide back down. So now we got it like that. The two retention pieces fell out. Those the black pieces that went on top, the clips. So now we're gonna unbox. What we're gonna be changing out is that little yellow piece down there. We got two springs. One on the bottom right here that holds the yellow part, and we have another longer spring. So we're gonna take that one off. Then we just left with this right now. So now we left with this. So now you could actually see the spring right there that's holding the yellow part. So what we're gonna do next is take the yellow part off. But keeping the little spring on there, the littler spring on there, we can just go slide this bad boy on, and it should be like that. It should be like that. So now that we have it like that, we're gonna put the screen back on, the spring back on top, like it never left. Whoa. And now we got it like this. Now we got it back to the step before last. So now we have to put the clips in. You know you're doing things right when it's giving you a little bounce effect on this. And then you put this back on top. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna do it the opposite direction. So what we're gonna do is put it in backwards again in the Taurus. And we go. So you see how I got it? See how I got it? Backwards. So we gonna push down on the part. We're gonna push down the edge so that it's retentioning. Then we gonna throw the clips back in. Sminky. And I suggest putting it underneath your thumb and holding it, and then just sliding it right in between your index finger. And then now that it's in, it's all closed up, you can slowly release it. Oh, because if you don't slowly release it, you'll do what I just did. But now that we got one side in, I do have to get this other side in. You could do it like that too, but I wouldn't keep it like that for long or make any sudden movements because it might pop out, fly out, never know. So when I get this out, oh, matter of fact, I got it. Don't worry, I got it. We got it looking like this. Oh, other way. Let it slide now. What we're gonna have to do is put back on the end piece. So, alright, so then with this, you're gonna wanna get the scissors again. So now we got it like that. We wanna put the back on. We're gonna have to push this down with the scissors and then just slide the back and back in from upwards. So let me do that. Alright, so we got the backing ready to go on. So we just gonna stuff and buff, you feel me? We just gonna stiffen buff with the scissors. Stiffen buff with the scissors. You feel me? Then it should make a little click when it's done. So now we got the full chromed out interior on. And let me just put it back together for a function test. Somebody breaking into somebody's house. Oh yeah. Alright, so then we throw this back in. Throw the spring back in. Lock it in place. Always we remember second notch. Second notch, you green. First notch, you mean. Swear to God. Alright, making sure the spring back in there straight. So yeah, then we got the slide looking like this after. So I've heard on the reviews that I've watched, when you do this, it makes your trigger smoother. Let's put it on and see if they're right. Alright, if we Ooh. Alright, now let me see if they really telling the truth or not. Alright, so I have another Taurus here. Alright, so this is a G2C Mario, and I gotta probably do it at the same time. But the triggers are different, so it's not really a accurate test. So, but this is just. Alright, let me see the reset. Okay, and then we got process beats. Oh, and I think ooh, hold on, beat my ass. But yeah, I see that. Princess Peach she slides back more. I don't know, man. Alright, so we just installed the stainless steel striker guide into the G3 Tactical. Taurus G3 Tactical function test. The trigger feels more. I feel more inclined. It feels a lot more smooth. Let me show y'all this. For that wall, that just feels so automatic. The wall. So yeah, and that was the installation of the Lakeline stainless steel striker fire guide. It kinda, I could feel the smoothness. feel it. Alright, like, comment, and subscribe. Cause I know y'all out there, it's 30.6% of y'all not subscribed right now. Y'all watching me, like. Hell no, good. Get started with that. I got GTA goals, GTA cars, fuck GTA hoes. Rep the crew for the bros, cop the coupe in the road, cop Fendi on clothes, Track Hawk do the most, my Z01 do a pose, TRX like Shaq through the pose. You gon' hear about the crew from coast to coast. I'ma have your little free bitch wearing a crew coat, straight pipe from the header and scream out a new note. Look at the crypto that I motherfucking got, stretch it out nigga, you ain't gotta put it in one spot. She don't wanna know how I got my money, she a thought. Fly her out to Miami cause I wanna see her hot. Don't pull next to this cause this shit not stop. Gotta buy the cars I want cause my shit used to not. I'm not hiking but I bought a Cardi just to feel the rock. Gotta vote cause my shit can't fit up in the box. Gotta give me a Chevy, gotta give me a box just to say that I'm motherfucking boxed in the box. I ain't stopping till I say pull up to the crew airstrip. I ain't stopping till I see a whole meal blue. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to smash the like button. Y'all just got, bro, come on, bro. Smash the like button, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, cause you know we posting consistent. So y'all do that for me, and we gonna see, and we out.